Hey guys, it's Lashes Lane and welcome to the vlog. Today we are at Disney Springs. If you watched part one, you know we are at Disney Springs for the Poppy concert at the House of Blues. I'm so excited. Interrupting my own vlog from the future because I switched cameras while I was recording this and the footage is a little choppy. So I'll be popping in with some narrations to keep the flow of the vlog going. Now we are going to go back in time to the Disney Springs parking lot to go on some adventures with the DJI before I switch over to the iPhone. Let's go. It's so funny when you film a whole thing and then you realize you are not recording. Anyway, I'm back at Disney Springs. I am in Princess Parking again, over by the Cirque show. It's outside surface parking. There's no parking structure. Security's easier here. It's not like a big hullabaloo like the big parking structures. This is where I recommend parking. It is a walk to get to all of the big Disney stores, but I think it's worth it. 'Cause what are you doing at Disney Springs anyway? You are walking, my friends. So my game plan, we are getting a snack. We're gonna check out the line for Poppy, and then it might be time to get in line for the concert. I can't freaking wait. I'm so excited. I've been listening to Poppy in the car this whole time and I'm so stoked, but I'm also hungry again. So let's go get a snack. Let's check out the line. Let's freaking go. Okay, we are back at Disney Springs. We're at the House of Blues and I wanted to check out what the line looks like. It looks pretty long. It's not as long as when I came here for In This Moment, but it's still pretty long. I'm probably gonna get my snack and then come sit in line and get a good spot. Let me show you guys what we're working with here. So it's not too bad, but it's gonna get bad pretty soon, I'm sure. I definitely wanna be in this line an hour before the show. I'm excited. It's gonna be good. I've seen Poppy before. So I saw her at the Welcome to Rockville 2 years ago. Fantastic. I love her new album. I'm so excited. We're making a beeline to that juice place that we walked by before. A bunch of kids were yes queening me, and that's the best. So I'm pretty excited about that. I mean, if you get dressed and the youngins think you look cool, that's a win. Anyway, we're going back to that juice place I like, and I'm gonna get some of those snack bites because they sound really good. And then I think we are going to go straight to that line. Yeah. 75? Okay, so I got the Go Bites. They're $4 for two. So I got 2 orders for $8. And I'm excited. They're like little healthy little balls. Yes, I could probably make these and I could make like $1 million for the price of what I just paid. However, we're at Disney, so we're living it up. We're gonna try these taste tests. They taste expensive. They're really good. So I have to say, Earl of Sandwich and this juice, what are they called? GoJuice. They're my top 2 favorite places in all of Disney Springs, forever and always. I also really like the ribs at Raglan Road, but this is an every time thing. I say this is an every time thing, but I actually haven't had these bites, but I've had their acai bowls, so just the place in general. Yeah, I definitely need to learn how to make these. Oh yeah, this is the best little snack ever. Natural sugars. Yeah. We are literally behind the House of Blues and the line is crazy. So it's definitely time. It is definitely time. Everyone's like, holy cow, the line. I was prepared for this because of In This Moment. So I was ready. Yeah, see, check that out. All right, let's go put the camera away. Cannot bring this camera into the venue with me. Hi. That's funny. I have a lot of people walking by and they're like, she's making a YouTube video. Yes, I am. I have my tripod on the trash can and I am making a YouTube video. Anyway, I can't bring this camera in the venue. I have to switch to my iPhone. The line is getting super long. It's probably growing and growing and growing as I speak. So I'm gonna get this camera in my car, go through security, and we're gonna go see Poppy Baby. Let's go. I just dropped off my baby camera, my sweet baby DJI. Now we're back to the iPhone with the tinny sounds. If anyone has any good recs for an iPhone microphone, you just let me know. Maybe I'll eventually upgrade. But I'm just like so obsessed with my DJI. I just know I can't take it everywhere. Parking lot's so busy now. I love seeing a sea of black band t-shirts at Disney. So good. Part of the reason why I wanted to wear my big pink fluffy cupcake dress is because I am meeting Sid here, so like it's gonna be so easy to spot me, and I love that. That's how it was at Spirit Box too. I wore my green dress. It's easy to spot me, man. Oh, he's calling right now. Let's get that. So it's at this point when I realized that the line I thought was the general admission line was actually the fast track line. So there are two different types of lines. There's like a fast pass line where you can get in before anybody else, and then there's the general queue. The general queue was so long. When I talked to a House of Blues cast member about purchasing the fast track, they informed me it was $30 per person, and I was thinking about it, you know. At that point, two very nice girls offered me their extra fast track ticket, so I only had to buy one. It was $30, and it was so worth it. Definitely doing that every time, especially if the show was sold out or close to sold out. Got a great spot, and I wasn't smushed in the back. I could actually see the concert, so it was definitely worth the price. We're at my favorite spot. Today is a good day. Praise Poppy. I am literally using the bathroom once, and then I am not moving from that spot. I am not moving. This is the best lighting. Eventually, you reach the age where you are not in the pit, and you are off somewhere where you can lean and you're eating chicken tenders. This is metal, baby. At this point of the night, it was getting really, really, really crowded. The pit was filling in, and all of the spaces surrounding us, they were totally packed. So we were really happy that we got there early, and the fast track tickets really came in handy. So this is when I am showing you guys some footage from the concert. House of Protection was the opening band. There were only two bands, and House of Protection is probably one of my new favorite bands. They blew my mind. They are a two-piece, and the energy they had, holy cow, they were fantastic. I managed to film their first song and their last song of their set, and they were just fantastic.
happy. But check it out. Before then, my people in the middle, you get it. Over here, I need you to move the fuck around. I need you to move the fuck around the sides. Just shake off the weirdness. We're not at school. We're not at work. Fuck it. Have fun with me. Orlando, let's get it. Venom brings a scar you can't heal fast. Pulling all your teeth won't change your past. Venom brings a scar you can't heal fast. Pulling all your teeth won't change your past. Damage is above beyond all correction. Nothing you can do to hide your connection. Damage is above beyond all correction. Orlando, that's our protection.
Next up was Poppy, and she was incredible. So unfortunately on YouTube, I can only share about 15 to 30 seconds of her of her concert, but I do have the full videos on my TikTok. So if you want to see the full videos, make sure you follow me on TikTok. And for now, enjoy these awesome clips. And that wraps up the vlog. Thank you guys so much for coming with me. I love sharing these experiences with you guys on YouTube, and I am planning on doing so many more. So please make sure you follow along for more concert footage, theme park footage, festivals. I have some podcasts on here and some day in the life fitness videos too. Love you guys. Bye.